Now, chia seeds might be small, but it's one of the most powerful superfood you could ever have. Now, if you can eat chia seed for just 1 week, it can support your body in so many amazing ways. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside of your body if you eat chia seed every day for just 1 week. So let's get into it. Now, the first one is that chia seed supports your body in eliminating microplastics. So what are microplastics? Well, they are tiny fragments, they are tiny plastic particles smaller than a grain of rice, and sometimes it is invisible to the naked eyes. Now, these microplastics enter our body from our food, from the water we drink, and even from the air that we breathe. Now, it is estimated that we consume roughly 1,000 microplastics every single day. Now, what's also more alarming is that in a study that was published in Nature Medicine, researchers actually detected these microplastics in the brain, which is very, very alarming. Now, our body does not actually have the inbuilt system to remove these microplastics, and research suggests that by consuming certain foods, that can help eliminate this microplastic. And one of the best food you can eat is chia seeds. Now, when you eat chia seed, just like any other food, it goes down to your digestive tract. Now, in your stomach, when they come in contact with water, because they are rich in fiber, this fiber actually form a thick, sticky gel. You can think of this gel like a trap. Now, as this gel moves through your intestine, it physically captures microplastics. Now, you can imagine this like a lint roller picking up debris off your clothes. Now, in the gut, in the intestine, because this gel slows everything down, it has much time to capture this microplastic before they get to the gut walls, where they usually get absorbed into the body. So by eating chia seeds, that actually helps eliminate these microplastics. Now, in the colon, the opposite happens. The sticky gel, which is the fiber in chia seed, increase the transit time, thereby forcing their removal from your body so that they don't get reabsorbed. So eating chia seed consistently can help remove these microplastics from your body. Microplastics can be very dangerous to your body, but that is not all chia seeds are sequestering. Chia seeds also help capture bile acid in the gut. Now, bile acid are made from cholesterol by the liver, where they are released into the intestine anytime you eat food to help digest food so that your body can absorb all of those nutrients. Now, about 95% of bile acid are reabsorbed back to the liver so that it can be used next time that you eat food. Now, when chia seeds are present, because chia seeds are also rich in fiber, that sticky gel that is formed by chia seeds are going to help trap this bile acid, thereby preventing them from being reabsorbed and forcing them out of your body. So when this happens, that actually forces your liver to make new bile acid. And for your liver to make new bile acid, it starts pulling cholesterol from your blood. So your body starts using your blood cholesterol just to make new bile acid, and that can help lower your blood cholesterol, especially the LDL cholesterol, which most people call the bad cholesterol. And this can help you to lower your risk of heart disease, heart attack, and it also can help you to manage your weight loss. All right. So chia seed actually play a very huge role when it comes to removing LDL cholesterol. So when you do this consistently, that can support your body. So this is the same mechanism behind prescription cholesterol lowering drugs called bile acid sequestrants. Now, the next benefit you get when you are eating chia seed daily is that your inflammation drops to the lowest. Now, this is actually because chia seed is a great source of alpha-linoleic acid, which is ALA. It's a type of omega-3 fatty acid that is very anti-inflammatory. Now, inflammation isn't a small problem in the body. It has a direct link to several diseases like cancer, diabetes. It has been linked to unhealthy aging and even cognitive decline. But with chia seed, which is a great source of alpha-linoleic acid, that can help reduce your inflammation. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seed contains 5,000 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acid in the form of ALA. And the other thing with inflammation is that it's been linked with leptin resistance. Now, leptin is a hormone that sends signal to your brain that you are full when you are eating. But with leptin resistance, your brain stops receiving those signals, and that can result in overeating, which can lead to obesity as well as diabetes. But when you are eating chia seed over time, lowering your inflammation, that actually helps correct that signal, that helps improve your leptin sensitivity. So that can help reduce craving, and that can also help correct your hunger signal. Now, the next remarkable thing that happens when you are eating chia seed is that it helps boost your antioxidant levels. Now, what you need to understand is that whatever we are doing, whatever is going on in our body, whether we are seeing, digesting food, or we are moving, metabolic processes is taking place. And each time metabolic processes is happening, it leads to the generation of oxidants like reactive oxygen species. And these reactive oxygen species are very dangerous. They can lead to cancer, they can be very toxic to your cells, they can cause all sorts of problems in your body. All right. But when you are eating chia seed, which is a great source of antioxidant like chlorogenic acid as well as quercetin, that helps balance this oxidation. That helps reduce all of those oxidants by converting them into friendly compounds, into compounds that can no longer harm your body. So it is very essential, it is very important to be eating chia seed. Now, other cool benefit of chia seed is that they help lower your blood pressure. Now, blood pressure is associated with inflammation, it's associated with LDL cholesterol, but when you are eating chia seed, that can help lower your blood pressure, that can help improve your cardiovascular health, that can help lower your risk of having a heart attack as well as stroke. Now, along with lowering your blood pressure, eating chia seed also helps stabilize your blood glucose level because they are rich in fiber, which helps manage your blood glucose level, which helps improve your glycemic control. So these are some of the important things that happen when you are eating chia seed every single day. It can help eliminate microplastic, it can help capture your bile, thereby improving your weight loss, lowering your cholesterol, improving your heart health. It can help you to lose weight, and then it helps you to reduce your inflammation, which can lower your risk of all of those deadly diseases. It can boost your antioxidant profile, lower your blood glucose level, as well as your blood pressure. Now, there are a couple of ways in which you can eat chia seed. You can blend it into your smoothie, you can add it to your salad, and then you can also make chia pudding. How you do this is by soaking your chia seed into a cup of milk, and then you leave it for a few hours, and there you have it. You can drink it, and that is going to do all of these benefits for your body. All right, thanks for watching.